Hi everyone, welcome to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium, ready to move residential community located on Kanakpura Main Road close to JP Nagar and Nice Junction in South Bangalore. The name of this project is Mantri Serenity, which is developed by Mantri developers, and this thoughtfully planned township offers beautifully designed 2 BHK smart homes, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK residences along with the premium amenities, landscape open spaces and a massive 70,000 square feet clubhouse. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Mantri Serenity is a premium gated residential community strategically located on Kanakpura Main Road, one of the South Bengaluru's most well-connected and rapidly growing residential corridors. The project offers thoughtfully designed 2 BHK smart homes, 2.5 BHK residences with apartment sizes ranging from approximately 1040 to 1260 square feet. Every home has been planned to maximize natural light, ventilation and usable space, making it ideal for modern families. Talking about the location, so one of the strongest advantage of Mantri Serenity is its location on Kanakpura Road. The project is just minutes away from JP Nagar and Nice Junction, making daily commuting across Bengaluru's quick and convenient. Dota Kallasandra metro station is about 10 minutes, Mantri Arena Mall can be reached in about 10 minutes and ISKCON Temple is just 2 minutes from the project. Reputed school, leading hospitals. Moving on to the lifestyle amenities, so Mantri Serenity has been designed to offer residents much more than just a home. The community focuses on wellness, recreation and everyday convenience. Residents can enjoy a temperature-controlled swimming pool, jacuzzi, steam and sauna facilities, a fully equipped gym, tennis, basketball, badminton and squash court. And if we talk about the apartment configuration, so the project offers 2 BHK smart homes with an area of approximately 1040 square feet starting from 92.14 lakh rupees onwards. The regular 2 BHK apartments range from approximately 1040 to 1260 square feet, with the prices also starting from 92.14 lakh rupees onwards. The buyers looking for more space, the project also offers 2.5 BHK residence with approximately 1260 square feet, with the pricing available on request. Every home has been thoughtfully designed to maximize usable space while ensuring comfort and efficient planning. Talking about the master planning, so the community has been carefully designed. Parking has also been planned efficiently with a dedicated resident parking, visitor parking, basement parking and wide internal roads that ensure smooth vehicle movement throughout the community. Whether you are purchasing your dream home or making a long-term investment, this project offers an excellent combination of lifestyle, connectivity and future appreciation. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.